What's a liability? A liability simply means things that the company owes. Don't be a liability. Like and subscribe to this channel. There are two categories of liability, a current liability and a non-current liability. A current liability is a liability that is done on a day-to-day basis, such as your daily trading activities. People owe you in the short term, such as trade payables. While non-current liability are liabilities that are done in the long term, such as mortgages, loans, and housing loans. And don't forget the equipment that you owe for 5 years. A liability is related to asset according to this equation. Let's take a look at the balance sheet of Apple. Liabilities is right here and non-current liability is right here. The current liability and the non-current liabilities equals to the total liability. What sort of video would you like me to produce more in the future? Would you like it to be more of a comical type of video or more factual video? Leave it down in the comment below and I'll see you next time. Bye!